I just wanted you guys to see my cute little Aldi sweater. Look how cute this is. And you want to check something out? Look at the Aldi shoes. And we're not going to Aldi right now. We're going to Publix. It is the day before Thanksgiving. By the time you guys see this, it will be the day after Thanksgiving. Hope you had an amazing, grateful day that was filled with love. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm not motivated to cook right now. It's 11:45 and I haven't cooked anything, which in a Caribbean household, yeah, you should be cooking already for Thanksgiving, because we like to pretend that we're gonna have food ready for like 5 or 6 o'clock. So yeah, and I didn't prep nothing last night, so we're gonna do that now.
There is always a level of confidence when you're gonna show your food on the internet, so be respectful. But this is going to be our dinner. Lisa think I wouldn't say she dig out some macaroni and cheese already, but yo, fire. So quick explanation. Candied yams. This is escabeche for the snapper that we did, or that Lisa did. This is the only turkey we'll be having. Turkey thighs, deep fried, rice and peas. We did some stovetop cranberry sauce. That is the canned one, by the way. We're not too good for that. The mac and cheese, looking amazing. The steaks, I don't know if the camera is going to tell the story of the steaks. The peas is the only thing that look a little struggle, but yo, we needed something green on the plate so it wouldn't feel so bad. But yeah. So to each his own. If you're celebrating Thanksgiving, or if you're like us and appropriating Black Friday to have its own meaning, it's all about who you're enjoying it with.
Could not finish my plate. I don't think I showed you the plate, but we had a little bit of everything. I had a little bit of turkey, but I did my turkey with the pickle pepper, which I guess, like, you know, is like pickles for Haitians. I don't know if any other countries do, but I'm pretty sure they do. My belly is full and I'm full with love. Update, it is Black Friday.
Checking your body language. I love the conversation. And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation.